In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create a stop motion animation in Canva. Stop motion animation is basically almost like a normal video, except it has very low frame rate. So stop motion videos usually consisted of just less than 10 frames per second, which is making the movement of the picture to be jaggy, and that is the style of the animation. And I think you probably have seen that a lot of times in animation, in television, etc. So here's how you can create one in Canva. So first, I have this video that I have downloaded before. I actually extracted a few photos or a few snapshots of the video into my computer, and then I'm going to upload those photos into this document, and then later we can start stitching them together to create a stop motion animation. Okay, now let me remove this first, and I'm going to just upload these files that I have prepared before. So there are 6 files that I'm going to just upload right here, and I just need to wait until all of them are uploaded to my Canva account. Okay, now all these images have been uploaded. Now the first thing that I'm going to do after that is I'm going to insert one picture or the first frame of the animation into this document, into this canvas, and I'm going to set it as a background so we can see it fully. And then let's continue to the next page where I'm going to insert the second image. Then I'm going to do the same, set the image as a background, and then I will repeat the process until all the frames are included into the project. And this is the 5th, and lastly we got this. So in order to make them appear to just a split second, then you have to apply the duration to all the documents, to all the canvas. So let's open thumbnail view and then click duration, and then here I'm going to click on any of these slides and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A or Command and A if you're using Mac. And after that, you will see that there is this edit timing option. You want to click on it, and here you want to reduce the duration to maybe less than 1 second. I guess 0.2 or 0.3 should be enough, and you can try to play the whole animation to see the result. So that was a simple stop motion animation that we just created. Of course, this is not perfect because I got this snapshot from a video, and that's why there is a blur effect. But in reality, if you're using a real photo, there's usually less blur like this, and the result is going to be a lot better. And this is just a concept or how you can apply the stop motion animation using Canva. In any case, I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I wish you a great day ahead. Take care.